Yo, what's up guys? Andway here. So this is my POV in the event of Mayari SMP. So yes, you guys can see I'm doing a voiceover because it's so noisy. So many people talking. Diba? So many people talking. So noisy. So ang goal pala ng event guys is to kill the golem. Parang Bed Wars lang, you know Bed Wars pero Iron Golem, yeah. And every 5 minutes, naglalagay sila ng mga OP items sa middle or sa other islands. Tapos, na pwede gamitin to our advantage to kill them, to kill the golem in their base. Wee wee! Tapos guys, tignan nyo, may nakita akong wild Shrek in the wilderness. Look at him!
Armor.
Nawala na, ang galing na
Sinusundan nila si Seth.
Grabing tawa, happy yarn. And then, nahirapan kami magsugod ng base nila kasi nakatambay lang sila sa base nila guys. Kami lang yung team na pumupunta sa mid. Baka nagwa-wonder kayo na bakit si Andway naka-pink yung color. Disguise ko yan guys kasi yung kalaban namin is naka-pink. So para malito sila ba? Yan oh, naka-pink siya oh. I killed him oh. And yet, as you guys can see, nakatambay lang talaga sila guys. Tapos hindi ko gets but yung parkour nila is napakahirap. Sa amin napaka-easy lang. But ang hirap sa kanila. This is so unfair. Unfair. Tapos kita nyo guys, pumalit na ako ng yellow because yellow, your teeth is yellow. Joke lang. Pumalit na ako ng yellow guys kasi pasira na yung pink. Yes, yes, yes. I'm killing someone. Kill, kill, kill. Useless yung kills guys. Kasi yung purpose talaga is to kill the golem para matapos na yung game. This game is like 30 minutes, 40 minutes. So kaya yun, yeah. So guys, naumay na ako mag-edit. So kaya 100 times na to yung speed of light. So yeah guys, I think I'm gonna skip this part and skip to the good part of what happened and how we won, yeah. And tignan nyo guys, uminom na kami ng Jump Boost Potion, Invis Potion, kami dalawa ni Jello to end this game because ang tagal matapos. Plano ko mag-sneak attack pero tignan nyo. I'm so scared kasi what if naka-open yung particles nila, diba? Pero look what I did. I risk it for the biscuit. Yeah! We winners, yarn.
May nakikita ko strategy dito. Nat, may nakikita ko strategy dito.
GG! GG Pink! GG!
So that's all guys. Thank you for inviting me to this event. Mayari stuff.